Looking for next level ideas and inspiration to drive engagement and business outcomes on social media? Or maybe you're trying to gauge what people are really saying about your brand without the information overload. With Later's social listening, you get curated, actionable insights that help you uncover trending content, topics and hashtags, things you need to know to stay ahead of the competition, and effortlessly elevate your social strategy. I'll show you how. Imagine you just launched your latest influencer campaign or product. The important insights are delivered straight to your screen. No more tedious searching. Just type in your account handle, a keyword or hashtag, and we'll comb through millions of pieces of content to serve up related trending topics, hashtags, and top performing posts to inform and shape your content strategy. Our social listening insights help you understand how your audience feels about your brand, whether it's their overall sentiment or how they feel about specific social content. Leave it to us, and we'll serve up the most impactful comments about your brand and content so you can respond right away. Later's social listening makes it easy to stay up to date on the types of content that are performing well for your brand and in your industry so that you can create more of what drives a big impact. See how your strategy impacts the KPIs you care about and get a preview of how you're expected to perform over time. We also give you competitive insights about the brands in your industry and how their posts are performing. Later can help you stay one step ahead so you can out-hustle and outshine them both on and off social. Stay ahead of the game by tracking sentiment and content performance over time. Later's social listening tools also make it easy to hear who's talking about you online and to discover new creators to collaborate with based on your past campaigns. We identify profiles that mention you to give you previews of their bios and content, along with a quick link to view their profile. And if you're using Later Influence, we'll give you tailored recommendations for creators to work with for your campaigns, right here under Creators Recommended for You. So you can be sure that you're always working with the right talent to create one-of-a-kind content and drive stronger results. Coming soon, we'll give you the exclusive ability to peer into the future, to identify trends and topics that will be trending in the near future before they actually do. Your job with Later's social listening tool, and your job without it. Stop searching and start listening. Learn more about Later's social listening. Book a demo today.